Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to sign up to Roblox on phone. So let's start. In my case, I have Roblox account. So first I have to log out from my account, or in your case you can change account. So just change the account and you can add an account. And if you check, there is two options. One is login from an account that you have, and the other option is create a new account. So just press this one and you have to write your birthday. For example, let's press this one, and you have to press your username. You can do it. Okay, so when you write your user, you have to check if there is available with everything that they ask, and then you have to write your password here, and then your gender, in this case female. Okay, and then just register here. Just press this one, and you have to write also an email address if you want, or in case you can leave the same address here, and just sign up on Roblox. You can save the password if you want. Right now, no. And well guys, then after everything is done, you can start using Roblox without any problem on your phone with your new account. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a like to this video.